Hello everyone. So as we continue with our project of plagiarism checker, this is the presentation that I'm trying to make. Mm, Based on this presentation, I made a concept paper regarding this project of mine, and the project we've been working on is the plagiarism checker. So what problem is being investigated? So mainly that the problem that is being investigated in this project we're building is content duplication, which is maybe plagiarism, which is a disease which must be monitored and eradicated. For businesses, it leads to reputation of damage and bad search engine rankings. In fact, people may also get penalized for plagiarism owing to copyright. Hence, there is a need to identify plagiarized content for business and educational institutions. So that's one of the problems that we are trying to investigate. That is the plagiarism that many people are facing in this day and age. So the background of the AI project. So we have a small background of this project. We can say we have authors writing blog posts want to check if someone has stolen their work and posted it elsewhere. Teachers want to check students' papers against other scholarly articles for copied work. News outlets want to check if content farm has been stolen for their articles and claim the content as their own. So AI concepts we shall be using to build the plagiarism checking tool detection in the document. In this project, we use something called the Python Flask and text mining that can be used to detect plagiarism using a vector database called Pinecone, in which we shall store a data set. Can also show the plagiarism percentage. So what is the significance of plagiarism checking? So what is the purpose of plagiarism checking? So plagiarism checking of your content is important because even though you've written your content from scratch, it can still be considered cannot be still considered original, as it could match up with something that's already published online without you being aware of it. So this is one of the significance of plagiarism checking. So the main goal of plagiarism checking your content is to avoid having duplicate content. All ideas from other published works. You can use the plagiarism checker to help you check against multiple sources. An online plagiarism checker can give you a comprehensive report of the plagiarism as a full plagiarism report. This way you can be guaranteed that your content is 100% original and you retain copyright of your work. So this is one of the significance of the plagiarism checking we shall be we shall be having in our project. Then the project assessment. So plagiarism is a problem in many education institutions around the world. So content duplication is a disease, as we talked about earlier. So this is one of the problem assessment, as we see here, that now the internet is an expensive source to collect data. People can easily get their required information from the internet and make their copy instead of writing their own text document. So this is one of the problem statements. So AI research questions, of which should be machine learning in, introb- in pardon, excuse me. So in interpretability is a degree in which the observer can understand the cause of the decision. So what our AI research question? In other words, not only do we want to understand what the plagiarism is going to do, which what decision, the prediction itself, and why, the reasoning of the data of the model to arrive to this decision. So our main two research questions will be what and why. What part of the decision of the plagiarism, and why is it deciding to do that? So I have my hypothesis for this project. So this is the hypothesis for the project, which is plagiarism detection is a new developing field of research, but it's not It is not one that is received a lot with formal attention. Therefore, unlike many other fields, there is a lot of great deal of background research to call on. It has been important to develop a well-developed language to which to talk about plagiarism. So this is one of the hypotheses I'll be using for my plagiarism. So AI research project objectives. What is our objectives of mine? Is it going to solve the plagiarism problem? We have to see. It helps in planning and see that we don't plagiarize content. It helps perform more complex tasks in finding plagiarism. Also creates a synergy between humans and AI. What do I mean by here? It's that a human is not in worry that this plagiarism will take their job. No, it is working hand in hand with humans. So my data set description, as I said earlier, I'll be using what we call all news articles, which contains over 143,000 news articles from major news publications. So we're going to be testing this plagiarism to see the different kinds of plagiarisms a person can get. So these are some of my references, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.